Hello friends, today we'll check out how we'll use modifier 79, 54 and 55 in a global period using a scenario surgery coding. So here you can see the case file. Here an ophthalmologist performs cataract surgery of a patient right eye 2 weeks after performing cataract surgery on the patient left eye. So he has done a surgery of left eye 2 weeks back and now patient is coming for a right eye surgery. He is having an age-related nuclear cataract. The patient tolerates the procedure well and remains under the surgeon care for 8 days. So there is another surgeon involved. So he is taking care for 8 days and after the procedure, and then he returns again to the optometrist for the post-op visit. So again he comes for the optometrist for the post-op visit. So how is the ophthalmologist service coded? So these are the codes which are generated using this scenario 66984 7954 RT, 66984 7955 RT, and this is the diagnosis code. So let us check out how we reach out this code. So first is the surgery code. It's a cataract removal code 66984. It will be same for both. So we'll code this as the primary procedure first for the major surgery, and this code has a surgery period, global period of 90 days. So it's a major surgery, so 90 days global period is there for this code. So any procedure falling under this shadow is assumed by payers to be related to initial surgery. So any procedure done in the 19 days surgery will be assumed as done in the post-op period. So to unbundle those procedures, we have to use modifiers. So let us check out how we can do that. So here we are using 79 first to unrelated procedure or service by the same physician during the post-op period. So physician has done right eye surgery in the post-op period. So it's unrelated because previously has done on left eye, now is doing on right eye. So here the modifier 79 acts as a digital key explicitly telling the pair this is a distinct unrelated anatomical event. Do not bundle it into the existing global period. So 79 will clearly tell that this is done on a different anatomic region, that is right eye, and this will not bundle with the initial surgery code. So here is the split between the surgeon and the eye specialist. So surgeon is taking care of only for 8 days and the remaining post-op days eye specialist is taking care. So these two needs to be built separately. So ophthalmologist did not provide all 90 days of post-op care. It transferred it after 8 days. So we must divide these two codes into two lines so that both can be paid. So let us check out how we can code it. So here 54 modifier first will pay for the surgical care. Surgical care means the person who is done the surgery. So here this is for eye specialist. So provider making the incision, the one who is doing the eye surgery, cataract removal. So this modifier 54 will be for that provider. Modifier 55 who is only giving postoperative management for only for 8 days. So we'll give 55 modifier for that provider. The provider only is monitoring the healing process. So that is only for exactly 8 days. So we'll build 55 modifier for that provider. Since it's a rule, you cannot build both simultaneously 54 and 55. So we cannot code both modifier to a single code. So we will go code by line. So one line we will add 54 modifier, with same CPT we will add another 55 modifier. So the total package must be separated into two distinct build services. So here we have coded. See, we have fractured this package 66984 79 54 we have given for the surgeon who has done the surgery, cataract removal, and for 8 days we are giving 55 modifier as well for the surgeon who has taken care for 8 days post-operative management. So this is the final codes we have given 66984 79 54 RT, 66984 79 55 RT, the ICD-10 diagnosis code H25.11. So first one is 54 is for eye specialist and 55 we have given for the surgeon who is taking care for 8 days. So this is the final coding. and this scenario is very useful for coding these modifiers, and this will really help you to clear your doubts regarding this post-operative modifiers use in global period. So hope you like this coding scenario. Just like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and if you have any doubt, to do comment it in the comment section. Thank you again watching for this video.